So Emma, how are you coming into today?
Good. We're having a good run of form at the moment. Obviously we won the last 6 of our 7 games. Found our scoring boots towards the end of the season. We scored a good few goals in the last 3 games, so feeling good. And obviously Athlone winning the league on Wednesday night, we know we can't affect that result, but obviously they're unbeaten so far, so we're looking to affect that.
And Ellen has 7 goals in 7 games. It's a delight when you have a player who just seems to find the net every time, isn't it?
Oh, look, Ellen's a fantastic player. From the minute she came into the squad a couple of seasons ago, and now she's developed into a senior player, and she's only 19 as well, so she's a bright future ahead of her.
Huntsy, Jans Comanson, they get Kelly Brady and Lee Rhodes on the first year. I get Sheldon and Lee Rhodes in this, you get Ryan at Goshak Lehesta, Cousin Todos, a Gorma, Jans Comanson, they get Ryan, Skin Hunter, and Toller. What you came out as an Achneil and Dine Share, one to good decent, Shin Image, Unter and Bautison, O Isabel Ryan, Crushy and Spórt to Hain and Laura, Agus, the era Unter Kervode.
Oh, we should sing a hall and Baker. And Lewis agus an skillan an seo leis na cosa tapi bhí sé sin ar éasúthaí agus ní raibh seansa ige a bhí tuthil stuff occur ach
go bhíad na champíní tá na cuine chanis tá miúí chun cían so get Peamount a sin seoltaisteach a rís fiochan sun Megan Blasco an sun amach agus sin buailte agus Neadar se a Laura dámach lech na himre á ránú a go an so sa chiad le gan bheachtar an tarna les thulim sa gomach sean útach ag Megan Blasco a bhachtant.
Bíonn sí san ásceart i gcónaí tuigeann sí cáin gur
sé dachar baile hallúan an dain séir so a chláánamach agus se chun na písan éis an báidir ar leis Pála Buaicphointí Hembóta bháin eile míá cart an son a Laura.
Míá Sar Camelia bog an seo go dtí seo fós sean ionta go bhí an agus rinne sí écht chun a dhéanamh ach míá orthaí a rís an áir seo ach ní raibh an lucht ar Plasco an áir seo.
No, ní báta so má smut an táin so a gas na Buaicphointí sinné go dtíireach mar a há.
Bhí spás a cí a rís ní dóilm go mbeadh an spás sin a cí má tá mbeadh Céilí Shine ar an bar. Fecha míid cúpla barna aniu.
Sinné go dtíireach agus stocha nó buú leis go mín smut an tácha ach seachún inis Peamount agus ar deire meis a dábal ar báide a haimsú. Hús an chluithe le ceart Caafar a bheith dáíre. Se Peamount inis agus bfuil deise go san ar báide agus ar deire hí ar hóm tá an scrub aimsethe a chusun báide últach an sun I guess le pís agus tónig mí ar an Ryan Doyle a fuair an báide báta sun agus ní bheith bí baile áúin róbáilthe lei sin beidir go Megan Blasco ach bhí san na chat le anna hamil.
Well, ní líontas ar aine gur Eleanor Ryan Doyle a bhí an mar tuigeann sí cábhfuil an cúil I gcónaí ach bhí an spás a cí bhí an támaí an sin agus ní raibh seanta Blasco an áir seo cé go raibh sí go híntaach sa léir fad ach críicní Eleanor Ryan Doyle sin go hálinn an sin.
Mar sin an chuma in an scíal go bhfuil baile ó hallúin chun cluithe sa shrá.
Divin award Trasa, Mary, player of the match and a big win. You must be delighted.
Oh yeah, no, we played them twice, they beat us twice, so we just had to put it up to them last game. Proud of the girls, to be honest, yeah.
And the second half, you really stepped it up a gear. What was said in the changing room to make you go to that next level?
Just basically, we had it in ourselves. We were nervous the first 20 minutes, but we came into the game and we just knew we could get the goal. And, Ellie, great finish, so, yeah.
You had a few moments yourself there, a few step-overs and a few shots on goal. You were fancying yourself today as well?
No, I don't know what came over me, just came in a moment. It didn't work though, but I'll try it again. Hopefully I'll score next time.
It's Or Trasa, captain of Foreign Lawrence Evelyn and Shaw. A big win against the champions, I suppose, 2 years in a row. It must mean a lot.
Yeah, no, it was brilliant. Obviously, Athlone are an excellent side. They've just won the league, so they have quality players. And we knew that coming into the game, that they were going to put up a fight. So to get the win throughout the game, like it was coming towards the end, it made it a bit more sweeter. So yeah, we're delighted.
About that guard of honour, does that put a fire under you and right, let's show them?
Yeah, of course. We've been there a few times getting that guard of honour from other teams, so you know how good it feels. But when you're on the other side, it's not a good feeling. So yeah, hopefully I'm not there doing that again.
Grand. Look, Feckman's of Lean Shacoon, so I'll let you get in out of the cold. Emma, you said to me before the game you wanted to rain in their parade a bit, and you managed to do it.
Yeah, I thought we were full value of the win. Had really good chances in the first half. I think the keeper pulled off some really good saves, and then again the second half, thought when the goal was called offside, it was never going to go in. But yeah, we're glad to be standing here with 3 points.
Despite all the chances and all the possession and all the play, it did feel like for a while the ball just wouldn't go in the goal for you.
I don't know if you see me over there in the dugout. I was suffering for a while, but I really didn't feel like I was going to win all the chances. But the girls kept at it, they were persevered, and they got their rewards at the end. And
a great finish. Talk us through your view of the goal.
Yeah, Ellie was on the pitch 5 minutes, I think. It's a true ball. Aisling won it in the midfield, played a true ball, and she slotted home. And the Athlone keeper, to be fair to her, had a great game. So I still had my hands on my eyes, but I was just glad to see it going back at the net.
So we've been talking about this season a lot, but with a view to next season, kind of tomorrow starts day and all that crack. So what's your view for next year? Have you a goal in mind, or is it too early to say?
Probably too early to say. We'll finish off next week against Bows, hoping to beat them. I think looking at the other results, we could have a chance to jump into fourth. Maybe 2 months ago that didn't really look like a reality. Look, Peamount, we've always been there or thereabouts, always knocking on the door. So this season and last, to not be doing that, it's hurting. The girls are hurting inside. So we're building. We're a very young team. I think it looks promising, especially over the last while of what's to come. If we all keep them all together, we'll be looking to win next year.
Not your day today, but were you happy with the performance?
Yeah, very happy, very happy. We got to play a lot of different players, a lot of rotation, which is fantastic. The youth players came in, they were immense. We're very happy with the display. Overall, of course, didn't get the result, but the performance was good, so we'll take that.
A lot of changes, like you said there, and double-edged sword. Great to get young and experienced players on the pitch getting minutes, but also maybe near the end when you needed that experience to pull you over the line, it was missing.
Yeah, of course. Look, experience comes through exposure, and that's what we wanted. We wanted the girls to get exposed to first-team football, and like I said, we're very happy with their performances and their behaviours.
Defensively, you shipped a lot of chances today. Megan Plashko had another game, and she was pretty close to getting player of the match again, a week on from getting it last week. But is that something to worry you coming into a cup final?
No, not at all. Megan's like an octopus. She's amazing. She's more than 2 hands for sure. She's fantastic. Yeah, look, Peace are a very good side. They'll always get chances. I've seen them get a number of chances against some of the other sides as well who are up there with us. But no, look, we were very good. We were very good. Just moments of focus we lapsed every so often. But that comes with game time. Like I said, I think like 6-7 of the under-19s played today. Experience comes through exposure.
And how important is that experience, especially looking forward to next year and beyond? Because, like you said, under-19s are playing, and the cup final, that kind of stuff. When you're going forward now, this experience today, losing with the cameras here after a guard of honour, it can be something that can put a fire under you a bit.
Yeah, of course. If there's ever time to light the fire underneath you, today is the day. But look, everything went good for us today apart from the result. So we'll go home happy. The girls will let their hair down today, and we'll come back in next week and we're ready to go.